This video is going to be documenting the factory timing on this 192K Spartan. Now this also applies to a 99K and a 66. Now this is factory timing. This has not been changed or corrected. This is an original machine that's originally been timed from the factory. This is going to be documenting on where the timing marks are and where the needle position is to the hook. Now this has been set by the factory and hasn't been changed since. So at your top mark right here, this is your two timing marks on your needle bar. Now at the top mark up here, your needle will be directly in between these two hook points right here. You can see how far apart, but it'll be almost directly. It'll be a little bit closer to this side than it will be this side. And then when you turn the hand wheel and you get the timing mark, the second timing mark is right below, and you can see it right here. Now the second timing mark, the hook will be just above the eye. If you see right here, you can see where the hook is to the needle, and this will tell you how to time this back in. Now this is the factory settings on this one, so you can see where the hook's just starting. The needle eye is right here from the needle. You can see how far apart these are, but the hook is just starting behind the needle on the second timing mark. So if you're trying to put your machine back in time, this hook has slipped on the bottom on the clamping screw, and you're trying to find the position to put this hook back. And you can also time your needle bar to this too. Just put a needle in, put your eye just a little bit below the needle right here. You can see about how far apart it is right there. It's a little bit lower than the needle there. But this bar, you can see here how the bar is. Now this bar sets almost all the way down in this bracket right here. You can see now this is how you would time this back. So always remember, when you're at the full bottom mark, that your needle will always be in between here. And then when you start to go up to the second mark, the hook will always be just starting behind the needle eye. The needle eye will be below the hook, and that's how you keep one in time.